To update your T-Mobile Wi-Fi service address online, start by logging into your T-Mobile account through the website at tmobile.com or the T-Mobile app. Next, navigate to the Services or Accounts section, select your Wi-Fi plan, and choose Update Address. Enter your new address details, including the zip code, and submit for verification. T-Mobile will check if the new address has sufficient coverage. Keep in mind that fixed wireless installations often require a technician to confirm the new location due to reliance on external antennas. Be prepared to provide proof of address like a utility bill or lease agreement if requested. Activation at the new address can take 1 to 5 business days. Understanding key considerations for changing your T-Mobile Wi-Fi address is essential for a smooth process. The service location is where your equipment is physically installed, distinct from your billing address used for payments. Address changes may be denied if the new location lacks sufficient network signal, specifically below 5 megabits per second. Always return your old equipment using the prepaid shipping label to avoid additional fees. While there's no direct fee for the address change, installation or equipment replacement can cost between $50 and $100. T-Mobile must report address changes to comply with FCC mandates for accurate broadband mapping. Use AI chatbots for 24/7 assistance, but be patient during peak hours when system overloads can occur. For temporary relocations, explore options for temporary addresses to avoid full service interruptions if available.